before starting this video, I wanted to mention I was looking through the clips and stuff. My energy throughout it is just extremely bad. I've been cutting for a while now and I just feel terrible all day. So like literally talking in a loud voice is like to my brain, it's really hard. I am going to be getting a new camera soon. I know the footage in some of the clips is like grainy and has a lot of noise because I'm recording on my phone. But I just want to point that out, and let's get to the video. Alright, today is week 2 of the reverse diet. I was eating 2,200 calories last week, and the week before that 2,000, and this week 2,400. I just got off work. I look a little bit rough, but I'm at the grocery store now. It's 3:50 p.m. I probably won't be home till like 4:10, 4:15, and I'm gonna make my meal. I just got some bread, cottage cheese, Greek yogurt. That's all I needed really. Still came out to like 20 bucks, but eating like this is so expensive. Anyways, I'm gonna get home, I'm gonna make my meal, I'm gonna show you that, and then I'm gonna hit a lift, record all of that, and then the rest of my full day of eating. But yeah, I've been fasting since 7:30 this morning. I only had caffeine and some creatine, and that is literally it. I'm not even that hungry, but I could eat, and I will. But I'll let you guys know about that meal. Alright, so this morning I weighed in at 152, really high for me. Usually I'm 150, but I just weighed in at 151, and that's after work too. But yeah, food volume has a lot to do with your weight. I'm not even checking scale. I've been the same weight for like 3 weeks, but I'm still looking leaner. This meal, I have a Ninja Creamy, 45 grams of protein, 340 calories. And then I have people judge me on this, but it's the only way that I can diet, by eating extremely large meals. 18 slices of toast, and then 6 servings of 113 grams of cottage cheese. In total, it's 189 grams of protein, and then 1,480 calories. But yeah, I'm gonna get to you whenever I finish eating this and get ready for my workout. So let's go. Alright, it's like a couple hours later. I ended up taking a nap, and I'm going to smack some of this pre. I'm telling you, go to discounters. This thing was $17, and it was really like almost 60. Mother Bucker. I'm gonna take like half a scoop of this real quick. It's pretty strong. I already have an energy drink today, but I really need this pre-workout. I just stood up and almost passed out, but anyways, I'm gonna work out at home today. I was planning on doing a whole back workout, but I think I'm gonna save that for tomorrow. So I'm gonna see you guys when I'm downstairs.
I can't believe the night lay waste to all we'd given. But honestly, you've gotta know that this ain't living. But we could run from Elysium and let it burn, let it burn. You've gotta know that nothing lasts forever.
I can't even begin to explain to you you guys how freaking bloated that meal made me feel. I get the low calorie bread, which is like straight up fiber, and I was like, yeah, it's a good idea to eat an entire loaf of bread with an entire family-sized tub of cottage cheese and a Ninja Creamy, and go work out like an hour later. In the video, you can quite literally see my stomach protruding. Like, I just had to put that out. Like, my waist is not tight in that video. I probably weigh like 6 more pounds than I usually do. But I also want to go over the fact, I think that my approach to dieting should be completely universal, and I try to push it as much as possible, because I've tried dieting on 5 meals a day, and I'm just thinking about food every minute of the day. I remember I'd be laying in my friend's bed, like hanging out with them, and I couldn't even focus because I'm just thinking about food. But when I overload my stomach with fiber to the point of like what I just said, yeah, it's painful, but don't do it around your workout. You will literally feel full for like 10 to 12 hours straight doing what I do and not even wanting to eat. And then once you get to that point of wanting to eat, you can definitely like calm it down, because your blood sugar is so smooth and your insulin is so smooth at that point that you can definitely control it. But I think my approach to fat loss is definitely by far, like, I don't even feel like I'm dieting half the time. I feel like sometimes I can't have this, but I'm not like even craving it because I'm literally full 24/7. But I just want to put that out there. If you want me to make a video about that, completely going over the science behind it, and I've never seen anyone do it personally, but it's the only thing that works for me. Moving on to my last meal of the day, is I get 2 of these. Most people is not going to be able to eat this much food, I'm telling you, so just start off with 1. The Chobani one has way better macros. This is like 9 grams of protein, 70 calories per serving, 5 per container. The Chobani one is like 13 grams of protein, 0 fat, but it's double the price, over double. So I put these in the freezer for like 3 to 4 hours, and then immediately so I'm putting both of these into this tub. I'm gonna mix them up, and then I'll show you what to do next. Okay, so this is what it's looking like. Completely full. It's like 5 pounds of yogurt, and then you got frozen strawberries. Usually do like 280 to 420 grams, which is a lot. It's like another pound of food. And I'll show you what that looks like after. All right, final product here. Strawberries mixed in here. Absolutely gigantic bowl. I'm telling you. Yeah, the macros are 800 calories, 90 grams of protein. If these are the Chobani, it'll be same exact calories, but instead it'll be around 133 grams of protein, something like that, and 0 fat, where this is 15 grams of fat. Alright, it's the next day. I calculated all the macros with my fish oil, supplements, drinks, etc. And the totals came out to 2360 calories and 282 grams of protein. Super high protein, higher thermic effect of food, muscle net. But anyways, if you guys like this video, make sure to drop it a like, subscribe. Today I'm getting a new camera, so the next few videos should be a lot better quality. Thank you for watching.